In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Bankwest app branches and ATMs near you step by step. So let's get started by opening your browser and navigating to the official Bankwest website, which you can find at bankwest.com.au. This is our starting point for accessing the tools we need to locate the nearest ATMs and available services. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll notice a menu icon often represented by 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click on this icon to expand the menu and reveal the available options. This menu is your gateway to the bank's various resources and services. After opening the menu, you'll want to scroll through the list until you see the option labeled ATMs, Cash and Checks. Click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you navigate the current system Bankwest has in place for its customers. Given that Bankwest has closed all its physical branches, understanding how to find and use nearby resources is more important than ever. By clicking this option, you're accessing a tool specifically designed to locate those resources for you. Now that you've selected this option, you'll find a search tool that lets you pinpoint nearby Combank ATMs and bank at post outlets. This tool is crucial because it compensates for the closure of Bankwest's physical branches by redirecting customers to Combank ATMs and Australia Post locations for essential services like cash withdrawals, deposits, and check services. This network of locations ensures that even without Bankwest branches, you still have access to all necessary banking functions. Simply enter your location or allow the website to access your device's location services for an even more tailored search. The tool will then provide you with a list or map of the nearest service points that you can use for your banking needs. This approach simplifies banking by putting the necessary information right at your fingertips, ensuring that you can access the required resources anytime, anywhere. Remember, you're not just looking for any ATM, but those that specifically cater to Bankwest services via Combank's network and Australia Post Bank at Post services. Navigating through the Bankwest website in this manner allows you to quickly and efficiently find what you need without unnecessary hassle. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're never far from the banking services you require, even though physical Bankwest branches are no longer available. It's a straightforward and efficient way to adapt to the changes and continue to have seamless banking experiences. Thank you for watching and following along with today's guide.